I was gonna say once the next stop pulls up, we can stop, but that's fine.
Well, wait a second.
You can spread out a bit so it don't squish you too much.
You want to fit in, okay?
Oh, I'm sorry, my
my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm so flying away. We had one crazy round. On my side.
Gosh, what's this lever do?